That is what you call a bee swarm. You can hear them even from over here, and I'm 20 feet from that. So they're hanging on to each other and falling off down there. My understanding is that is when the queen, the scouts have found this, and the queen is inside. Whether she's already, way I understand, I think she's already in it, and she goes in it, and the whole hive moves, or part of it moves, and leaves the other hive wherever they're at. I really don't want to get any closer because there's just so many bees out here.